When you are into research work, literature reviews take too long and handling many papers is difficult and messy. To reduce your workload, you are using different AI research tools to screen papers and reading paper summaries but still not satisfied. Here is the AI tool called SciSpace that will make your research work simple and easy. It is an all-in-one AI research platform for researchers and academics. It helps with paper discovery, literature review, paper analysis, manuscript writing, citation, and many other things. All tasks you can do in one single platform. If you want to do a systemic literature review, here is the SLR AI agent in SciSpace. The SciSpace SLR agent is an AI-powered tool that automates the entire review process from defining research questions to generating a PRISMA-compliant report. Instead of taking months or years, it completes the process in 40 to 60 minutes while maintaining quality and transparency. What you have to do is start SLR by prompting a query. It starts executing a plan. You can see here it is working on your prompt. It will generate research questions based on PICO workflow. Review these questions, edit them as per your requirement. At a time, you will be able to add 10 research questions. Then go to the next step. SLR agent will generate screening criteria. After screening, agent will also allow you to exclude and include criteria. Here you can see exclusion criteria, inclusion criteria. Once you updated the criteria, go to the next step. It will conduct systemic literature review as per your selected criteria. It is searching the papers. Now, agent will give you an option to specify research coverage, where you can specify the number of papers you want to screen. You can cover up to 3000 plus research papers. Here I am selecting 500 papers. This is the most fascinating feature which makes SciSpace better than other research tools. You can also choose databases and can edit search terms. Here you can also specify the period of publication. Here I am choosing past 2 years. Go to the next step. As per your given specification, it will start searching for papers across all the databases. After research completed, it combines and re-ranks all the search results to create one final list. Here you have all the results. You can see here. And now it will start screening based on 3 criteria: title and abstract screening and full text screening. After screening, it is showing all the papers which have 4 cutoff scores. You can see here some papers have 4.5 and some have 5 cutoff score. It is also showing the citation of the papers. Finally, you have set of papers that have passed all the criteria. Download the full text PDF and download the data. Now you can generate Prisma flow diagram and image. You will get the structure report. This is how SciSpace agent complete the systemic literature review. This is another research tool performing the same task with the same prompt. However, its results are not particularly useful for scholars and academics. The results are general rather than specific and advanced, which are essential for research work. Researchers and academics need more refinement to ensure their work is more accurate. SLR has key capabilities to screen 3000 papers across multiple databases. It removes duplicates automatically. It applies intelligent screening using weighted criteria, extracts insights from full text papers, generates structure outputs including search results, abstract screening, full text screening, data extraction, PRISMA diagram, and final report. In short, SciSpace SLR agent is faster, more accurate, and fully customizable than any other review tools available. SciSpace has skills which are expert modes for specific tasks like clinical trial search, web search, grant research skill, presentation generation skill, and website generation skill. So hurry up, don't waste your precious time in other research tools. Get the SciSpace as soon as possible. Use this promo code for the SciSpace discount. For Indian users, use code AOMIN30 for 30% discount on SciSpace plans, and global users use promo code AOMIN40 for 40% discount on SciSpace annual plans. Check the description box below for the SciSpace access link. Thank you.